What's up, YouTube? As you can see, I'm finna run out of gas. So we finna make this title how much it costs to fill a Hellcat. It's always traffic on Camp Creek Road. This shit don't make no sense. I'm finna go to BJ's because I got a BJ's membership card. Damn, bro, I'm finna run out. I don't know why I waited too long. You know when you say, I get gas tomorrow or something? That's basically what happened. And now I'm finna run out. Y'all hear that whine though, bro? What the fuck? Y'all don't hear that whine? Come on, come on, come on. I need gas. I need gas. If I don't make this light, bro, I'm done. I'm cooked. You know we gotta get a full tank. Hold on. 50 will do it. That's like 90% gas. But damn, I'm finna right now. I don't know why I waited so long, bro. Come on, let's go, let's go. Damn, the light turned right. Fuck. Oh my God. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Shit. Man, hurry up. If I run out of gas, bro, I swear to God, bro, I'm be mad as fuck. That shit ain't even good for your car running out of gas and shit. I'm gonna have to call my assistant, little boo. Oh, gas station literally right over. Hold on. Damn, what the fuck? My shit tweaking. Where the gas station at? Let me shut it off. Damn. Fuck this shit. I barely got gas. My screen lagging. That's how you know it's bad. I'm gonna put the camera up when I get there. Yeah, we basically made it. Hold on. After I passed this shit. Let me take this turn right here. Watch out, nigga. What is this nigga doing? Is he done? Fuck it. Let me go to this one right here. We're gonna see how much it costs to fill up a wide body cat. I mean, yeah. What my BJ's called up? Yeah. Knees ain't heavy, that one. Oh. 50 on pump 6. Huh? 50? Yeah, yeah. That shit dirty as fuck. I'm gonna show y'all my runs. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I've been smacking every curb, literally. Appreciate it. Oh. Damn. This is a long ass pump. Yeah, I see y'all. Boy, y'all gonna see after. That'll be like $3. Damn, this bitch can't reach. Oh, never mind. Yes, it can. Oh, shit. Hopefully that bitch don't fly out. Let's see. $3, man. Y'all will go get that membership. $3. Let me show y'all my rounds. Where the rounds at? Oh, look at that shit. Let me show y'all. Where the other one at? The other one way worse. Let me see. Bro, right here, you see this shit? That shit deep as fuck. Literally. And I think I fucked these up too. I don't know. Barely. I'm finna switch my back tires. I'm finna put my back tires on my front. And front tires on my back, cause my back look brand new. I mean, my front look brand new, and my back, I mean, brand new bitches out. If you don't know, this shit's rear wheel drive, and them bitches burn quick. Literally, way too quick. Yeah, see, 35 right now. Not too bad. Not too bad. My car smell like straight food. Bro, I done added so much miles to this car already. I added like a good 1,300 already, and I only had the car for like 3 weeks. It's finna be 4 weeks. Well, it's finna be a month. Let's see, I'm putting 50, because I only had 50 in cash. I would have put more, but that's all I had in cash. We're gonna see how many miles it get me. That's it. Whoa. Make sure y'all pull out. We'll put 50 in this bitch. Let's see how much miles it gave me. The highest MPG I got to was 16, but it's so hard not to hit the gas in this bitch. Literally, like, that shit's impossible. Oh my God. Yeah, see that shit, bro? My fucking, I don't know if that's my starter or my starter fuse. Like, that shit is going bad. I don't fucking know why. I got warranty though, so you know what that means. That shit is getting replaced. I'm finna give y'all a little small POV though. Hold on. Put the window down a little bit. Put it in sport mode. I barely be driving in sport, I ain't gonna lie. My top speed, y'all wanna see my top speed, bro? Oh no, let me turn back on traction. Let me show y'all my top speed. No. This is my top speed. I dead ass don't be driving that fast. Boy, that beat sounds so damn good, bro. What the fuck? That downshift. That bitch sounds so good, bro. What the fuck? Bro, I love Hellcats, bro. I don't give a fuck how much money I get, bro. I get another cat and another cat and another one. 707, but is it really 707? Shh. Y'all think my shit stuck? I don't know. My shit might be, might not. I don't know. Might got a little tune. It feel good though. My steering wheel big as fuck through this camera. This car is spacious, I ain't gonna lie. You could do a lot in this car. It's a cat. Whatever FBL Manny said, oh, you still got that scat still? Hell no. I got the big boy cat. You need to put on them big boy drawers. Yeah, here y'all. Scat, cat. Where should I go next? Trackhawk? I don't know. I ain't gonna lie. I've been thinking lately if I should go Tesla or not. Cause like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired of the fast shit. I really don't even drive this bit fast as fuck. If I'm being for real. Like everybody else be in these Hellcats. I don't know why. I got used to the car already. Like, I don't know. I want a track car though. I want an all-wheel drive car. I want something that snatch. You feel me? They be snatch, break your neck, but like a Hawk, that motherfucker gon' feel like a spaceship, a rocket launcher. You feel me? So it's traffic on Camp Creek. That 8 Series hard. But sport mode, the throttle is so fucking sensitive, bro. Where's your turning signal at? Niggas in Atlanta cannot drive. Somebody almost ran me off the road the other day. Literally. The cat was finna be over with. Literally. And I ain't had this bitch for nothing but 3 weeks. Well, I'm finna go on the highway. I don't know if I'm finna cut up, but I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of clips. And they bit whining. Yeah, we finna get on the highway right now. I need a head mount, chest mount, so I had metal glass, but them bitches broke. Come on, Tesla. Not gonna lie, these cars move too slow. I'm finna cruise in eco. I can still kind of get in front. Can I go through that? Shit. Yes, I can. Oh my God, let me chill out. Boy, that shit was crazy. Hold on. Let me chill out before I get locked up for this. Damn. That shit was crazy, I ain't gonna lie. That's my first time cutting up for real, like, I ain't never did no shit like that. Especially with no damn camera. I was kind of shaking a little bit, ain't gonna lie. If you cut up, do not hesitate, bro. You will wreck. I'm telling you. That's how I wrecked my scat when I was running from 12. If y'all don't know the reason I wrecked my scat, fuck you. This nigga beeping at me. But the way I wrecked my scat is because I was running for 12. I was leaving a car meet and shit, right? And I was on the highway with like 4 or 5 wide body scats, and 12 was on the highway. So, oh shit, they go to sheriff. But 12 was chasing this wide body scat. I was following him and shit. So I'm just cruising and shit. So the nigga got away and 12 got behind me for no reason. So I took off on his ass, but when I took off, whole time my car was in eco mode. And I'm like, bro, how this nigga still on my ass? I ain't know that my car was still in eco mode. So I let him get a little close. I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't even think about the license plate shit. I don't know if he read my license plate or not, but I wait till the exit came, and I was on the second right lane. And the exit came up, and I took that bitch quick as hell. And 12 couldn't make it, like, he couldn't catch the exit. I made the exit, but, like, you know how the exit, like, that motherfucker split? Like, I went between that shit, and I hit a big-ass rock. And that shit fucked my whole car up, like, my rim. I think it hit my transmission too, yeah, my suspension, all type of shit. My brakes was over with, literally. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, this gonna conclude the little POV / filling up my gas.